Welcome to the world of double standards. Enough is enough, and it's time to act. And talking about double standards, just a while ago, we heard the representative of the occupying Israeli forces bashing you all, as he does with his predecessors, perform a show, and teaching us and lecturing us about humanity and morality, totally disconnected from reality. He could not address the resolution and trying to show that the world started only on October the 7th, neglecting the fact of history. If he considers this assembly a circus, guess what? I consider him a clown performing in this place. On which side of history are you going to be on? What will the books of history say about you? What excuse are you going to use to justify such decision? If you can't vote for peace and justice and against occupation and illegal settlements, how you'll be able to ask for support if one day you're occupied? History will remember those countries which have taken a principle, a moral, a legal or humane stance, and it will also remember those who had their humanity in deep coma. The only peaceful solution to this 7 decades of aggression and occupation is by recognizing the Palestinians' right to defend themselves and resist occupation and the right of self-determination, and having an independent state with Jerusalem its capital.